back to this again. I've just been looking at those holes. They could be handy. I could fit something like rails or hooks on there as well, so I'm not going to pop those things in because no my luck they won't come out again, and I'll leave them because they're not holes that go all the way through. They're just, you know, recesses or something. So for the minute I'll leave them. I'll put them somewhere safe and I'll never find them again. It went together wonderfully well, and it is going to serve its purpose fantastically. So I'm pleased with it, and it went together. It went together all right. And like I say, really, from sort of 10:30 to 1:30, that's not bad. Single-handed. I don't mean that's not bad. Wow, aren't I good? I mean that's not bad. Well done, whoever designed it. I need to explain the dog now, don't I? Oh, before I do, you've got this kind of lock arrangement. This bit sits over the plastic bolt, and then you run a padlock or something through. Fine. Can't get my hands on those at the moment, and can't get my hands on a lot of other things. Can't even get my hands on me string and rope collection. So thankfully the other day the cat pulled her scratching post apart, and that's the rope from it, or some of it. I knew it'd come in handy, and that will do for now on a windy day. Alright, let's deal with that dog. I turned my back for a second. I just went into the workshop to put a few things down and away. Crazy sound. Turned around, it was the sound of very, very heavy rain. So here we are with suddenly the dog showing up green. Look, everything's just gone all green. It's just, it's not sprung to life, has it? It's just kind of revealed itself. But here we are with the dog. Can't remember what on earth I'm doing now. Explain the dog? I don't know. He was holding things down. He belongs to my parents. We've all moved in together, so we've inherited him. But he holds everything down. He's absolutely brilliant. So I'm a big fan now. And Mini Meltdown loves him. But have a look at this. Now this is in a state. He got blown over. He is the magic dancing gnome. He dances on this rock. Apparently. That's what the law says. And he lives in a small wooden birdhouse amongst the plant pots. Anyway, I hope that explains everything. I think we're finished. Actually, I need to weigh it down because it's getting windier and windier. So, what better than a very old Webb lawnmower? Looks isolated, but it will do the job. And so, dear friends, our day of fun and frolics and putting things together has at last come to an end, and we move on to other slightly more regular things, not necessarily, and all it leaves now is for me to say thank you for watching, and I do hope you'll come again, and there's probably some catching up to do as well. So stand by, get ready for more, because more is on the way. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Good evening.